Okay, Team Esler, I hear you're real motivated and you want to create your own team, not just join a team, but create your own team. Again, we're starting you at the www.runrangerrun.com/team-Esler. That brings you to this page here. You will go to register here. And then instead of joining a team, you are going to press create a team. You'll go down here and you're going to choose walk, run, adult. You're still going to put in the RRR Esler as your code. Then you'll choose your team name, whatever you want your team name to be. Let's say you're a part of the Colorado team. Esler Colorado is already taken. It's really easy to just, and we have people that do this, go Esler Colorado 2. Simple as that. You don't have to put in a team description, but you certainly can. You can change up your fundraising goal here, and just make sure that you choose your corporate team, which is Team Esler there at the bottom. You'll click next and go on and fill out all your contact information.